So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to withdraw USDT from your OKX application to your bank account. So first, you need to open your OKX application on your mobile device, and if you don't have, just simply visit their website. And you need to open your account by simply entering your credentials. After entering your credentials, you will redirect to this page. You will see the 3 dots, which is located at the top left corner of your screen. And once you click in, you will see a bunch of options that you might choose. But under the Manage Assets, you will see the Buy, Sell, Deposit, Withdraw, as well as the P2P trading. You just have to click the P2P trading for you to able to transact with other people and sell your USDT and convert it, or the other people will send money to your bank account. So just simply click the Sell section, and after that you need to choose your currency, and after that you will click the Sell section again and just simply choose your payment methods, whether you wanted to receive in a bank transfer, Airtel Money Wallet, or anything. So after that, your selling USDT is already listed. Just wait for the people to buy your USDT in peer-to-peer. And that's how you withdraw USDT from your OKX to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.